man, a full time for real love and unity instead of war and brutality. And I'm singing this one from my heart, dedicated to all of the youths. Seize the war, yes. Youth and youth, seize the war. Listen. And seize the war in a rima. A full time for we live as one brother. And seize the war in a jungle. Youth and youth, a full time for we humble. And seize the war in a Spanish town. Look how much youth man get shot down. And seize the war out of Denham town. Look how much youth man get shot down. It hurt to see so much youth men die. It hurt to see so much mother cry. God knows. It hurt to see so much father sigh. It hurt to see so much brother die. Oh Lord, yes. Oh Lord, yes. Oh God. Oh God. Seize the war in a jungle. Youth and youth are full time for we humble. Seize the war in a Tivoli. A full time for we throw away the folly. And seize the war out of Matches Lane. And seize the war out of Loom Lane. And seize the war out of Rum Lane. So much youth man life go in vain. Go in vain, yes. To the fussing, the fighting, shooting and killing. Every day we hear it more everlasting. A youth man, just be within and give thanks to the Almighty King. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Youth man, if you want to be sweet and nice, just take my foolish advice. Seize the war you wear. Seize the war you wear. My brother man, my sister woman. Seize the war. Sure. Too much fussing and fighting, shooting and killing. Every day we hear it more everlasting. Just give thanks to the Almighty King and deal with love deep within. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh well, youth men seize the war. Youth men seize the war, yeah. I'm talking jungle, Rima, Tivoli, Greenwich Town, Matches Lane, Rum Lane, Luke Lane, Bottle Street, Almond Street, downtown, uptown, all around, yes. Too much youth men I go down, yeah. Go down.